Why Federal Heath? Well, number one, we love partners. We're growing every day. We're growing by acquisition and sales, and we grow by acquisition. That means we're acquiring new companies and we're getting into new marketplaces, and we need new partners. We need help doing that. We have 688 employees scattered around the nation. We do have experience with large custom projects. We have multiple manufacturing locations. We have a plant in Euless, Texas. We have one in Jacksonville, Texas, one in Oceanside, California, one in Racine, Wisconsin, and one in Delaware, Ohio. We have probably a total of probably 340,000 square foot of manufacturing capacity. We also have some 18 to 21 sales and service offices around the United States. We have currently probably over 3,000 partners in our data bank that we use. We don't use them all the time. We use what we call our preferred vendors, ones that give us the best prices, and ones that give us, more importantly, our best response time for our customers and our best quality work and that kind of thing. So that note there at the bottom, the installers work directly under the Federal Heath Sign Company. What that really means is we don't turn anybody loose for our customers to direct, or more importantly, the general contractors on the job site who like to boss everybody around. We don't turn our partners loose and let that happen. We maintain that control so nobody gets blindsided with something. None of us really know how we're doing as a company. Our customers get to tell us how we're doing, right? And that's how there's three ways we find out. We have a website form. Our customers can go on the website and fill out a form, tell us how we're doing. We send out surveys through the mail, and we all know surveys don't work too well. But the best results we've had is actually we have people that call our customers when we finish a job and ask them how we're doing. They don't spend a lot of time with them because we know customers don't want to take a lot of time to do that. But we ask them certain questions. They're satisfied with the job. How was our response time? How's the quality of the job? So on and so forth. And that's worked really well for us. Communicate, and then when you get done with that, communicate a little more. That's the key to success for all of us. We're looking for a lot of help in the digital print areas right now. We could use some subcontractors. Anybody's interested, and we'll talk in a minute about how you can get signed up with us. Our core purpose is we help companies connect and engage with their customers. That's what we do every day. That's why we exist.